everyone. My name is Miriam Johnstone, and I am the Biomedical Research Training and Education Program Manager at the Black AIDS Institute. For 22 years, BAI has led the fight against HIV in Black communities, and we knew we had to do the same when COVID hit. So for the last 8 months, I've dedicated my time to creating COVID-19 education for Black communities. We've partnered with the COVID-19 Prevention Network, also known as the COVIPN, to create easy-to-use resources that are community-focused and science-based. This pandemic is not yet over. In the US, we're still seeing about 85,000 new cases each week. We have 3 vaccines that we know work and are really effective at preventing COVID-19 disease. We have collaborated with several celebrities to get the word out.
Pose is a love letter to our forebears who, in the early days of the HIV/AIDS epidemic, with no resources, no support from the government, and a lack of access to quality medical care, still managed to forge a way out of no way. From their stories, we have all learned so much about love, family, and resilience. And that lesson feels all the more important in this current climate where Black and Afro-Latinx people are still battling HIV stigma and once again, disproportionately affected by COVID-19, another global pandemic.
I want to begin by thanking the Black AIDS Institute for 22 years of service to the Black community. I'm so pleased I was invited to join today because I know this organization. I've worked with the Black AIDS Institute for all of these 22 years, and I'm so appreciative for the work that they have done for all of us. I want to reiterate that systemic racism is a public health issue. We've seen how HIV continues to hurt Black people more than any other race. Black Americans have also been twice as hurt by COVID as white Americans. But medical mistrust and misinformation are making us much less likely to be vaccinated. The Black AIDS Institute understands those very real concerns that stem from a racist healthcare system. That's why, once again, in the midst of crisis, they have seamlessly transitioned their 2 decades-long HIV education and community outreach expertise to educate Black people about COVID. From creating awareness about COVID and its rapidly changing information to why it's now essential for us to get vaccinated. I hope you will benefit from their resources so we can all stay protected and well and continue to support their stellar programs.
2020 was a very hard year. We didn't know a lot about COVID and we didn't have a vaccine. 2021 has given us vaccines and showed us that masking can help stop COVID from spreading. Cases of fully vaccinated people getting COVID are completely expected because although these vaccines are highly effective at preventing COVID-19 disease and death, no vaccine is 100% effective at preventing COVID-19 symptoms.
It's time to prioritize Black people as the only way to end this epidemic. And it's time to support and partner with Black-led and Black-serving organizations like the Black AIDS Institute as the path forward. In the midst of talking about HIV, Black people are reliving the same racial injustices with COVID. We were hurt more by the virus, and now we're less likely to be vaccinated. Once again, it's organizations like the Black AIDS Institute that are creating valuable COVID resources to educate Black people so we can make informed choices, protect ourselves and our loved ones.
Hi, it's me, Calypso Jate Balmain. I'm an entertainer, a voice actress, a trans activist, and a member of the House of Balmain Season 1 winners of HBO's Max show, Legendary. Yes, I know you saw me. Cat when I give it like that, when I give it like that. So much of my creativity and performances are about celebrating Blackness, and that's why I'm here today. I've partnered with the Black AIDS Institute to come to talk to you about protecting not only yourself, but everybody else. So, like all of you, I've watched the havoc that COVID-19 has created among the Black community. So the first thing I did to protect myself and everybody around me was to get vaccinated. Sure, I had questions, but when I saw so many people who were not vaccinated getting very sick, I knew this was a better choice. Now, COVID cases are rising across the country, and 99% of the people being hospitalized are unvaccinated. I'm so appreciative of the Black AIDS Institute for creating resources like Wake Up Wednesday videos and their COVID information webpage to educate you guys. I invite you to check out the Black AIDS Institute COVID resources, get your concerns about COVID vaccines answered, and get vaccinated so I can see you at the next ball and we can be legendary together. You ready? You set? Let's give it. No COVID. We don't want that. I don't want no COVID-19 anymore. I'm going to get vaccinated so I get back on the floor. Get your tits, no shade. Bye.
I want to push you to ask questions so that we can share our resources and build your confidence on getting vaccinated and staying safe. Black life should be protected at all costs.